Hello friends, hai no hai lam sugun no rokno ani YouTube channel lo ke tinin topic ka kaisa kokle ekdom thik apuni English meaning ka one thing is certain hinga phaidi tini koklo tomo nai ne no tini pula kolom ka kaisa kokle ekdom thik bonono hamjago apuni English meaning nai one thing is certain he is love you one thing is certain he is love you next ka kaisa kokle ekdom thik bo nini bagai jotto khai manu apuni English meaning nai one thing is certain he can do everything for you one thing is certain he can do everything for you next ka kaisa kokle ekdom thik ang khuna phainai apuni English meaning nai one thing is certain I will come tomorrow one thing is certain I will come tomorrow next ka kaisa kokle ekdom thik bono kebo sinia apuni English meaning ka one thing is certain nobody knows of him one thing is certain nobody knows of him next ka kaisa kokle ekdom thik bono kebo help khaine krui apuni English meaning ka one thing is certain nobody is helping of him one thing is certain nobody is helping of next ka kaisa kokle ekdom thik India o match painai apuni English meaning nai one thing is certain India will win the match one thing is certain India will win the match Inke tin jote asuk no video jaga khangka ba like khaidi share khaidi tai comment khaidi inke sini Kokborok na awai khaina bagui o channel no subscribe khana ta belai belai ka hambai khulumka